To create my module, I went through the ADDIE model: analyze, design, develop, implement, and evaluation. Here are some examples of designs I created when analyzing what my students might want in a learning module. This is the design I chose after feedback from my peers. Developing the module took time and patience. This part came through in the design brief. I laid out goals, outcomes, and objectives for the project, as well as the plan for my module. The design brief changed over time as I tweaked and added new things into my lesson. The design brief was a great way to keep track of what I had planned as well as what I had changed throughout the process. The flowchart was a way to visually show the layout of my module and how the learner would experience the lesson based off of what they knew. Setting up the wireframe for the project was the next step. This was created on PowerPoint. It showed how the module was going to work, where the buttons and information would be, and how the learner would be engaged throughout the process. Storyboards were created for movie tutorials I incorporated into my lesson. Everything that went into this module had a plan beforehand. Without it, I would have been lost. Here are some shots of the creation process on Captivate. The program takes a lot to get used to, but the end results are priceless. When everything was completed, we had people participate in a survey that shared results and data about the effectiveness of our modules. Here is an infographic of the results I received for my lesson.